the most advanced curriculum in the world, by far the best in the world.
For anyone curious about how the world is changing and how they can make a difference in it.
Hi, I'm Vivek Wadhwa. I've been teaching at some of the most incredible universities in the world, including Harvard, Stanford, Carnegie Mellon University, Singularity University, Emory University, and University of California at Berkeley.
My name is Tarun Wadhwa. I'm a visiting fellow with Emory University's Department of Political Science and a non-resident fellow with the Atlantic Council's Geotech Center.
What is exponential innovation? Well, you have a whole range of technologies advancing exponentially. Everything from artificial intelligence to computing to robots to sensors to quantum computing.
Where we take the best lessons from science, technology, academia, and bring them together to show you how to use technology to change your world.
The curriculum that Tarun and I have created is meant for young students doing a bachelor's degree as well as PhD researchers. We also teach this to business executives. We teach this to the CEOs of billion-dollar companies all across the world. What's the magic of Silicon Valley? What are the lessons that can be learned from here? And how can entrepreneurs everywhere learn these lessons?
You will learn about the advances in technology, how they are overturning industry after industry, what entrepreneurs can do with these ideas, and how they are going to impact our society and government and policy systems.
Don't miss this opportunity to learn about advancing technologies, new innovation methods, find ways to build billion-dollar businesses and trillion-dollar industries that can uplift humanity. I'm Vivek Wadhwa, and this is my Nobel course.
I am Tarun Wadhwa, and this is my Nobel course.